Hello everyone, today we're going to find out what's in the June's Artsnacks box, and it's going to be the supplies that I'm going to use to draw the portrait of the giveaway winner. Let's see. This is no supply, of course. It's a Crybaby bubblegum, extra sour. And then we have a comb sharpener, automatic long point. I think we already got one in the Artsnacks box before, if I am not mistaken. Although this time it has the Artsnacks logo, so it was specially made for Artsnacks. But it's still something we already got, so I guess that's what happens if you subscribe for quite a while. There might be repeat, but I'm surprised. Artsnacks usually doesn't do this kind of things. But anyway, eventually we're going to have sets of everything in the Artsnacks colors and with the logo on it, which is cute. I like the colors and the logo, but anyway, I must say I don't really use it very often. What I like is that there seems to be extra blades here, and I always use comb sharpeners. They're my favorite. I really like the blades, although I use this kind, which is, I think, discontinued. I'm not sure, but I kind of since I only use this one when this doesn't work anymore, I switch blades. So if anything, if I don't use this, I might be able to switch blades if they fit, so it's not lost. But I should try to use it more often anyway. Okay, enough talking. Let's see what else we have in here. This time we have a green sticker. And Edelweiss Caran d'Ache graphite pencil, HB. That's funny because it seems like Caran d'Ache has a whole bunch of different types of graphite pencils. I'm not sure what the difference is between them, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's a special edition. Who knows? I'll know better with the little thing in here. And then we have a touch marker, a purple one. And let's see if there's, it looks like it's a brush tip and a chisel tip. Ugh. Oh my goodness. There. So it is a chisel tip. Well, they smell pretty strong. And a brush tip. And then we have a Zig memory system, Millennium, and it's of course by Kuretake, and it's a fine liner, 05. And I wonder, acid-free, archival, pigment ink. I wonder if it's waterproof. We're gonna have to try that. Waterproof, or I'm guessing that if we get alcohol-based marker with this, it's probably alcohol marker proof. So we'll see. And the last thing we get is a Sumo Grip eraser. I've seen those before. These are pretty cool. So it's just like your regular push erasers. I think. No, maybe not. Okay. Retractable eraser. So, oh, it is. I was right. There you go. So it's basically a rectangle rather than a round one. We got a mechanical pencil in the previous box and I really liked it. So yeah, I don't know if I'll use it. Another eraser, another pencil sharpener, another graphite pencil. Well, starting to have a little collection here. I've never tried the touch markers, so I don't know. And we have another fine liner. Well, with a, well, I guess I only have one color today. Yeah, I only have a deep violet and a black and then a graphite pencil, and that's what I'm gonna have to use to make a portrait of the winner this time. Stick around, I'm gonna try these and then I will make the portrait. For my challenge today, I'm making a portrait of Butterfly Blessing Studio, who is the winner of the June Artsnacks I Draw You giveaway. So I must admit it took me a while to combine all those materials to make a portrait, and I struggled a little bit just because I wanted it to look good, and so I admit that I did cheat a little bit. I did use a water brush to help dilute some of the purple from the marker so that I would have two shades of purple. It actually turned more like lighter purple pinkish color, which is pretty nice for the hair, you'll see later. Also I used it for the fine liner so that I could add more shadows to the hair. And I added at the very end some white highlights with a white gel because the mouth looked weird for a while, and that's the only way I was able to fix it. It actually looks pretty nice now, I think. So anyway, this is my humble attempt at drawing you. I hope you like it. And that's it for today. I will have a video in the next couple of days to announce the next I Draw You giveaway, and so stay tuned and subscribe if you want to participate, and also you can click on the little bell next to the subscription button, that way you won't miss it, and you'll have a couple weeks, maybe a little bit less this time, to sign up to see if you can win a portrait of yourself that I will make with the next Artsnacks box. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.